Today's goal is to create an easier way to look at the year data. And why we would want to do this is easy seen if we look at the original data. So let's do that. Let's import pandas as PD. Let's make our variable and then load up our data. Say where it is, and then the name of the CSV file. Oops, CSV. And then let's just print that out. Products. Okay, wonderful. And then let's do this. Wonderful. So we have all of this great data, but like our goal says, we only care about the year data. While, because of our screen, we can see the year data, what happens if we have more columns? What happens if our screen's smaller? Well, we might just want to make it not as wide, a little bit skinnier, and longer. So let's do that. How do we do that? Well, let's first get rid of this and comment this out. Oops. We make the data not as long or not as wide and make it skinnier and longer by using melt. So let's start this off, and I'll explain what melt is as we do it. First, as always, we want to name our variable that will hold our melt table, and we'll name it, since we're doing an easier one right now, not this yet, we'll do that later, we'll just call it, our first one, info melt. And then we're stating we're using this data, so we're going to do hair products, and then we're going to use the melt function. So the melt function has three parts. We have id var, which states don't melt. We have var name, the column of columns, and then we have value name, which is the values. So what does all this mean? Well, first we have id var. Like it says don't melt. Basically, it will be the names of the columns where you don't want it to be squished in with the other ones. You just want it to be its own column with its own values, kind of how it was when we first printed it out, how it just was column name and values, that kind of thing. Var name, basically, when we melt, we have our columns, and then we have our values. And what var name does is it takes this column and the column next to it, and it says, okay, these two column names are going to be in its own column with the name of var name, and its values, which is going to have value name, is going to be here. So you're going to have all your column names, we'll say 1, 2, 1, 1. You're going to have your columns, which is in its own column, and then its corresponding value. This makes more sense if you look at it, so let's go on and do that. Let's get rid of some of this. And yeah, we'll get rid of this too. So for this first one, we're just going to say we just want brands to be the only thing that stays the same. Everything else we want it to end up like this, squished. So how do we do that? We do var id vars, and then in here we're going to say only keep brand column the same. Everything else squish. And then we also have var name, and since it's just going to be everything squished, we'll just call it relation. Oops. And then we have our last column, which is value name. And like I said, it's everything else but brand. So let's just call it product info. And then let's print this out. Wonderful. So as I said, we have the column name, which is type. So it's just type, and it's the type is Joe for this. This product's type is relaxer. This product's type is blah, 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 blah. And you see how for every brand value there is this associated type? Well, that logic continues. For every brand value, it's gonna say its year. So every brand value is gonna say its price. So these values and this brand column is going to continuously be repeated. It's just a chunk of data. What is being melted, that same chunk. What is being melted, that same chunk. So it's a lot of repeating. But if we had ability to see everything, you would have all of the other columns squished into this and this column. So that's not what we want. We want only the years. So let's make a new melt and change it a bit. Let's comment this out. Oops. And let's call this new one year melt. We'll go a little bit faster. We'll say we're using this data, we're using melt, and basically we're going to say, I want all the other columns but year to be melted. So what does this mean? We want, and here we're going to put, we want type to be the same. We want under pin, to be the same. Brand, and I believe, we have made, and prices. So literally everything but the year columns, the Y 2019, Y 22, everything but those columns, I want to say the same. And so, since we're only having the year columns be the ones that are getting squished like this, we're going to make the var name equal years. Years. And then we're going to have the value name, since like I said it's only years, and each year the values are the searches for that year, for the brands. So let's do searches. Wonderful. Now we have our statement, so let's print year melt, and then we can get rid of this and print it out. Wonderful. So, as I stated, we have everything else, all these columns, the same. And then we only have all of our years being melted. And then that would be an easier way to see only the year data.